Hi mga oray! Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video, sasagutin ko yung mga katanungan nyo. So I posted on my Facebook account, so ito. And nag-post din ako sa aking TikTok account. Ayan. So ngayon, thank you nga pala sa 3,000 plus subscribers! And salamat po sa nagsusuporta sa akin. And salamat po sa 300,000 followers sa TikTok. Ayan. So ngayon, yung Q&A natin is lalagyan natin ng twist. So ang twist ay bawal ako magsalita ng Tagalog. So sasagutin ko lahat ng tanong nyo in English. So ayan, so hindi po ako magaling sa English. I'm not good at English. So kung ikaw, kung judgmental ka, oh my God, nahihirapan ako sa braces ko. So kung judgmental ka, wag mo na kang panoorin, hindi kita kailangan. Charing. So ang consequence is papaluin ako ni Anton ng bote dito sa ulo ko kapag nagsalita ako ng Tagalog. Wag mo namang kalakas ang bakla, ha? Alam ko ugali mo. Bawal na ako magsalita ng Tagalog in 3, 2, 1. Hi to all. Oh! So welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll answer your questions. So this vlog entitled, tama? Am I correct? Come here, come here. So this video entitled answering questions. So let's get started. Tulungan mo ko mag-English, ha? Wala akong masalita. Okay, so first question. Oh my God. I felt so nervous. So first question from Carla Flores. So this is her question. What is the essence of being teenager? Oh my God. Thank you so much. First of all, I would like to thank to Ate Dina for sponsoring wig. Okay, thank you so much. Oh my God! Oh my God, so what is the essence of being teenager? I believe, ladies and gentlemen, the essence of being teenager is you can enjoy every moment. You can, oh my God. Thank you. Okay, I'm so sorry. That's only the capacity of my brain. So next question from Christine Agustin. So this is her question. Sino nag-push sa'yo para maging vlogger? So myself only. The person who pushed me in vlogging is myself. So yes, next question. So next question is from Jello Rabino. Ano ang pinaka nag-trend mong video sa TikTok, idol? Then kwento mo history ng video na yun. Oh my God. The most trend video on my TikTok is anong English sa bulig? You know, your mother, ano yung duling? Alright! He is double. Oh my God! Next question! Next question from Beverly May. So what is your reaction when you know that you are the one of the members of Ghost Artist? So, oh my God. So I feel overwhelmed because for me, not all people giving the opportunity to become an artist of Gen on Screen. So yes, I'm so happy. Okay, next question is from Paula Maybituin. So what is the right time for you? I believe the right time for me is not now. Maybe tomorrow or maybe yesterday. Next question from Steven. Sino nga ba si Burdagul? So, Burdagul, so my real name is Razel Ramos Manilio. In midnight, charing. My name is Maria Sophia Jomay. Kalaban na bubuya kaniya bilibe pa 6 man niya. Next question from Jamil Pate. May pag-asa ba na magkaroon ka ng girlfriend at may balak ka ba magkapamilya? Yes, I have a plan to have a family but I don't think it never mind. So next question is from Micah De Los Santos. Ano ang kinakatakutan mong mangyari sa buhay mo? So in English, what is your biggest fear in your life? So my biggest fear in my life is to lose my family. Why should I say so? Simply because my family is oh my god, I'm so sorry for being emotional. I'm emotional because I don't know what to say. So yes, my family, and because I love so much my family. Why should I say so? Simply because my family accepted me of who I am, of being gay. So yes, I don't know. So next question from Remy Obando. Ideal man mo. So my ideal man is of course tall as me and handsome and kind. Next question from Princess Nicole Fernandez. So do you consider yourself to be a giver or a taker? Why? So I consider myself as a taker. Why should I say so? Simply because I love to I love to be treated. What do you call this one? And I want always people to give me foods. You know what? I don't know. Next question from Andrew Nathaniel Blasa. So ano yung pangarap mo na malabo mong makuha? For me, everything is possible if gagalingan mo. Kung pagpupursighan mo, makukuha mo ang mga bagay. Next question is from JL Wong Suan. So what is COVID-19? For me, the COVID-19, it is a kind of virus which is generosity. Dangerosity. The COVID-19 called 19 because the virus age is 19 years old. He's everything. Next question from Aaron Paralag. Pwede po bang ako na lang? Yes. Pwede. From Souvenir. So, may chance po bang maging lalaki ka? Just like what I've said, no. This is me. Actually, I don't want to be a gay, but this is me. This is my heart. So, I can change it. Next question from Kyle Ivan de Lima. Ay, anong underwear ang sinusuot mo na mas komportable ka? So, actually guys, I'm wearing, yes, honestly speaking, tibak.
So, pakita mo.
So, ayan po. Ayan, so I'm wearing tibak. So, it started when I am grade 7. So, that was started, ano ba? So, next question from Hasana Laude Aminulia. Ano si Burdagul sa kabila ng mga tawa o patawa niyang ginagawa? Umayos ka ng sagot. Aabangan ko to, ha. Love you always. Pa-shoutout pati sa channel ko, Bricks on Screen. Shoutout to his channel, Bricks on Screen. So, if you are seeing me like this, so I am me. Tatagalugin ko, ha. Kung ano ako sa harap ng camera, yun ako sa personal. I can't, oh my God. Next question. Alessandra Valencia Quiedes. What did you always wanted to try but never found the courage to do? I wanted to try drugs but I can't. Charas. Next question. Mary Angel Mercado. Nagka-girlfriend ka na ba? Yes, I am. From Joe Hair Smith Angeles. Gay to straight, do you think their relationship will be working? No. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that there is no straight people will love gay. For me, just like what Ina Magenta read, I read it and I am agree. Why should I say so? Never mind. Next question from Ira May Matic Fernandez. So, in 100%, ilang percent dyan yung chance for you to have GF? Pa-shout out ako, Lodi Cakes. So, I think 50%. So, 80%. Char. Next question from Kristen Grace Kwi Mosing. Straight gay na po ba talaga kayo or nagkakagusto pa rin kayo sa mga girls? I don't think so. I'm not 100% gay. Next question from Catherine Angel Cabrera Narvaez. Anong masasabi mo sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa'yo bilang isang Burdugol at bilang isang Raza? I would like to say thank you so much for supporting me and for accepting me. Yes. And I hope supportahan niyo ako hanggang sa huli. Oh! Next question from Pers Romero D3. Top or Bochar? Pa-shoutout ako please. Shoutout sa'yo, Pers Romero. So, top. Versa. Next question from JLC Araneta. For you, what is the best way to helping the frontliners and governments by staying at home? For me, by follow their rules and pray for them. And I think that's a help also. Oh my God. Next question from Maricar Abanador Putian. Dapat pang bigyan ng second chance yung taong nanakit sa'yo ng sobra. So, I believe definitely no. Why should I say so? So, just like what I saw on YouTube, one YouTuber gave a lot of chances the man, the boy, and no. Hindi pa rin nagbago kasi hindi pa rin siya nagbago, yun pa rin, nanloloko pa rin siya at nanloloko. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, na kapag nagawa niya nung una, magagawa niya rin yun. Basta't magagawa at magagawa niya. Kung nagawa niya yun ngayon, magagawa at magagawa niya pa rin yun. Next question from MLDY. Ano ba yan? My question is, have you experienced to fall... Excuse me. To fall in love with a girl? Yes, I had a girlfriend before. Next question from Ace Hombre. TikTok crush? You, Char. I don't know. I don't have. Next question from Jen Aldrin. May possibility ba magkagusto ka sa babae? Yes. This video ended here. So, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. I'm so sorry if I can't answer your question properly. Like, oh my God. Hindi ko kasi kaya mag-English masyado. So, pasensya, hindi ko nasagot ng mga na maayos yung tanong nyo kasi hindi naman ako ganoon kagaling mag-English. Hindi ako magaling. Nahihiya ako sa inyo. Alam ko magaling ako sa sarili ko pero nahihiya lang talaga ako. Yes, that is. So yes, thank you for watching. Kung hindi ka pa po nakakapag-subscribe, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell beside para always kang notify every time na may upload ako. So yes, bye!